Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase the numbers of search results per page on Google Chrome browser. For this example, I will use best proteins in Pakistan. For example, the default is 10 search results per page. Normally, going to the Tools tab on the top right via Advanced Search and select the numbers ranging from 10 to 50 used to yield more results. Click on this Advanced Search. However, it no longer works. There is a quick solution to fix this. Left click on the search URL and on Windows PC you want to press the End key. For Mac users, you have to press Function plus right arrow together. This will take you to the end of the URL. From there you have to type in and num equals the number of search results you want per page. In this example I did 50. Then hit enter. As you can see, the search results have 50 of them when I scroll them. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to increase number of search results per page on Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.